Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Dr. Rajesh. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can use LinkedIn to search for postdoc and PhD. So you get to LinkedIn and go to the search bar and you type postdoc. And when you type that, you're going to see lots of options. You can search for, or you can go and click on, you have to click on jobs because some people talk about postdocs on their daily life. So you look for jobs and then you customize to the region where you want to look for. For example, I'm in Korea, so I can easily search in Korea, but usually you should start searching from worldwide to order to increase your search option. So when you go worldwide, you're gonna see lots of postdocs which have been advertised and the number of people who are applying for it using this app so that you can know how competitive or less competitive the position will be for you when you are applying, because it's very very important whether you need to add in more effort or you need to know whether this is actually a position for you or not, so that you don't get heartbroken at the end of the day. So it's very very important you consider all these options when applying for postdocs. So another option you can minimize, for example, I want to search for positions in Sweden, for postdoc positions in Sweden. When I type Sweden, it will show me the number of postdoc positions which are being advertised currently in Sweden, and I can customize it for advertised within the past week, because sometimes when you're applying for positions, you need to know how long they have been advertised and to know whether they have been closed or not, whether the positions are open or not. So it's very, very important for you to consider all this when you're applying for positions in any country or any part of the world. So you can also use LinkedIn in order to search for PhD positions or PhD scholarships globally as well. And usually it's good to start searching from worldwide so that you can see other options. Do not insist in studying in one peculiar country because it might not be specialized in what you want to study, or you know the area of study that you want to do, because there are some countries which have a high level of research in a particular area. For example, when it comes to forestry, Sweden is a leading country. When it comes to agriculture, you have Australia. So it's very very important to do that. You can also use LinkedIn to search for master's scholarships. Go into the search bar and you do the same thing. You type in master scholarships and it will tell you the master scholarships or master research assistant positions which are currently being advertised in the area you're looking for to in order to apply. Always go and click on jobs, because if you just put generally, you might find people talking about their successes on LinkedIn. So if you've watched this video right up to this level, it's very very important you subscribe so that you can enjoy from such kind of videos, because this is how I used to search for jobs, scholarships, and all over the world, because it's a passion and based on my experience too as a multi scholarship winner. So this scholarship, this position which I just opened, will show you all what you need. So when you get the link, you can click and it takes you directly to that. So make sure you subscribe and consider staying on this page with me. Bye.